Okay, so right now, on my Abarth, I have the Elgato exhaust, the full thing from high flow.
You might want to start that again.
So right now I got the Elgato exhaust, high flow cat, mid pipe with a small resonator out the back. All Elgato, and I absolutely love it. This is what it sounds like. Okay, that's a cold start. Okay, and now this is a few revs when the car's warmed up. The highest I went was 3,500. It's pretty loud, but I love it. What's up, guys? It is your boy Mikey Turbos. Right now we are in the Abarth. On the road, it is about a good 30 degrees right now. It is really, really cold. But I got some good news and some bad news. Okay? So, my Abarth and we've been together for 3 years. I bought her with like, I don't know, she probably had like 20 miles on her. We've been through some good times, we've been through some bad times. And let me tell you, she's growing, she's getting old. She's becoming older, but that doesn't slow her down. The reason why I'm making this video is because she's about to hit 50,000 miles. That's right, 50,000 miles. Now, if I remember correctly, the last time I went to Tail the Dragon, on the way there, I hit 40,000 miles. So the fact that I'm hitting 50,000 miles now, I'm stoked. We've been together for a long time, and I love her, I really do. So right now we're at 49,995. Check this out. See? Now I don't know why my odometer is blinking like that. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna see why that's happening. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm excited. All right, right now she's at 49,998. You and me together, let's watch my Abarth hit 50,000 miles together. Let's do this. So right now she's at 49,998. Woo! 4,999. Almost there. Almost there. She's getting old, baby. Almost there. 49,999. 50,000 miles. Holy shit. Oh my God. I can't believe I have this car now. And we did from 0 all the way to 50,000 miles. Woo! Oh, I love you. I love you. Woo! Alfa Romeo 4C.